Welcome to Certainty Software. Today, we're diving into a critical metric that can transform your production efficiency, overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. OEE is the gold standard for measuring manufacturing productivity. It boils down to three key factors: availability, performance, and quality. Together, these elements help you understand just how effective your equipment is in your production line. Let's start with availability. This measures the percentage of scheduled time that your equipment is actually up and running. The formula is straightforward: operating time divided by planned production time multiplied by 100 to get the percentage. So if your machine was scheduled to run for 8 hours but was down for 2, you can calculate how much time it was truly available. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. Next, we have performance. This factor considers whether your equipment is running at its ideal speed. The formula is a bit more detailed. Ideal cycle time multiplied by total count, divided by operating time, and then multiplied by 100. This helps you gauge if your machines are hitting their target speeds or if there's room for optimization. And then there's quality. No one wants defective products, right? Quality measures the percentage of products that meet your quality standards. The formula is good count divided by total count multiplied by 100. This tells you what portion of your production is actually saleable and free from defects. When you multiply these three components, availability, performance, and quality, you get your OEE score. This single number shows you how effectively your equipment is being used across the board. An OEE of 100% means you're manufacturing only good parts as fast as possible with no downtime. But let's be realistic. An OEE of 85% is considered world-class in most industries. Low OEE scores can be frustrating, but they also offer a clear signal that something needs attention. Let's break down the most common culprits contributing to a low OEE and, more importantly, how you can address them. First, we have machine downtime. This is one of the biggest drags on availability. Whether it's unexpected breakdowns or lengthy setup times, any period where your machine isn't running means lost production. Regular maintenance and quick changeovers are essential to keeping your machines up and running. Next up is slow cycle times, which impact performance. If your machine is running slower than its ideal cycle time, you're not utilizing it to its full potential. This can happen due to worn-out tools, suboptimal settings, or simply a lack of real-time monitoring. To optimize performance, it's crucial to identify the root causes and take corrective actions, whether it's replacing worn parts or fine-tuning your machine settings. And then there's product quality. Defects are not only wasteful but also costly. A high defect rate means your quality score plummets, dragging down your overall OEE. The key to improving quality lies in consistent monitoring and swift action when problems arise. Implementing stringent quality control measures and using predictive analytics can help in catching defects early before they become widespread. The good news is that these issues can be managed with the right approach and tools. Certainty gives you the power to monitor all these aspects in real time, providing you with actionable insights to tackle downtime, optimize cycle times, and ensure top-notch quality. Our platform helps you turn challenges into opportunities for improvement. Ready to take your production efficiency to the next level? Visit Certainty today and discover how our solutions can help you achieve world-class OEE. Don't just measure, master your manufacturing processes with Certainty.